In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page orientation in Adobe Express, if your design needs to switch from portrait to landscape or vice versa. Adobe Express makes it straightforward by adjusting the canvas size. This is helpful when you're moving a design from a phone-friendly layout to a widescreen format, or preparing a print document that needs a different orientation. Start by opening Adobe Express and loading the project whose page size or orientation you want to change. Make sure the correct design is on your screen so you can see the changes as you make them. Everything we do here affects the canvas for the current project. Look toward the top toolbar and select Resize. This is the control for the canvas itself, not just a single element, so it's the right place to switch orientation. When the Resize panel opens, you'll notice a custom field showing the current width and height. That's your starting point. Before you type new values, choose the units that make sense for your project. Pixels are ideal for digital graphics like social posts, slides, and thumbnails because they align with screen resolutions. Inches or centimeters are better for print, where exact physical dimensions matter. Pick the unit you want first to avoid surprise conversions. Now, set your new dimensions. To make a portrait layout, enter a height that's greater than the width. To make a landscape layout, enter a width that's greater than the height. In practical terms, you're just swapping which number is larger. For example, a tall format might be 1080 by 1920, while a wide format could be 1920 by 1080. The exact numbers depend on your needs, but the rule stays the same. Height larger than width for portrait, width larger than height for landscape. As you update the numbers, Adobe Express will apply the change to your canvas. Take a quick look at your design to make sure important elements still fit comfortably within the new shape. When you change orientation, content can feel tighter or more open, so consider leaving a bit of breathing room near the edges to keep your layout clean. That's it. Open your project, click Resize, choose the unit, and set dimensions so the larger value matches the orientation you want. With those simple adjustments, your design is oriented exactly the way you need, whether it's for screens, prints, or anything in between.